good morning. Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. This is Rubia Sajid. Welcomes you back to my YouTube channel. And guys, actually, we have a special travel vlog for you guys. So, please stay tuned. Basically, we were traveling to, anyways, guys, that was me. Hi. So, getting back to our point, basically, we were traveling to Chikmagalur with our family with all the safety measures and precautions in this corona time. Mashallah, we were really excited to go on this holiday. Let me give you a little sneak peek of the car where Ahil is sleeping as we had woke up early in the morning and left to our destinated place. So that's Ishal enjoying. Hello Ishal. While traveling, we saw beautiful scenes in the way, which was totally awe. Staying in for 7 whole months and leaving all the frustrated life behind, guys, this was truly happening. I was so excited, actually super excited for this, guys. We have drived around approximately of 5 to 6 hours of a distance and we have finally reached to this beautiful property, guys. This is Trivik Resort of Chikmagalur, which is awesome, guys. It's a beautiful peace and calm place, guys. You guys need to check this out. So this is the reception and our men's are doing the paperwork. Yes, this is a simple and quick tour. So guys, we just entered right from this door inside as they had a thermal check, so I couldn't film it.
Good morning, hello everyone. कैसे हैं आप लोग? अच्छे हैं? क्या खैरियत है?
हम बहुत अच्छे हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खैरियत से भी हैं.
What? No, aku pakai air purko. Mask to sida dalo. Afu abi come here, Afu come here. Hi bolo, hi Afu.
After checking in, we guys were so hungry that we ducked into their restaurant, which was Arabica restaurant of Trivik Resort. And guys, you guys would not believe the view from this place. Oh my god, that was super beautiful. Just check this out. It was just like talking to the sky, guys. Oh my god, इसे देखकर तो हमारी भूख कहीं चली सी गई थी और we just left everything and started clicking our pictures over here. But I need to tell you guys, oh my god, यहाँ का food, oh god, it was super delicious. It was a get together family lunch time, तो मैं वहाँ का क्लिप आपके लिए नहीं ले पाई. I'm sorry. So guys, this is the time that we are going to our rooms. So you guys sit back and enjoy the view. At the time of booking this beautiful property, we just wanted to check their safety measures in this COVID-19 time. So they had already informed us that there won't be a buffet system in the food section and there won't be a pool. Oh my god, no swimming pool this time because it would be really hard to maintain the social distance in these two places. So guys, no pool time. But I would like to say, guys, oh my god, the property is so beautiful, guys. I know the camera cannot do the justice for this. चाहे आप दुनिया का कोई भी कैमरा क्यों ना लेकर आ जाइए, मगर द फीलिंग आई एम फीलिंग आप घर बैठे उस फीलिंग को महसूस नहीं कर सकते. जस्ट अ प्योर ब्लिस. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. As we were moving further, our excitement level was just on the peak, as if you can see. Yo. This Trivik property was surrounded by the massive jungles in between those beautiful huge mountains. We had our rooms just right there. Let me give you a quick room tour. Ours was room number 26. When you just enter right there, onto your left you have a living space with a huge window, yes, which has been shut to the curtains. And when you turn to your right, you would see this simply amazing bedroom, guys, which was completely cozy and super relaxing. I would really like to add this, guys. We had an open terrace kind of a thing just in front there, and the view from the bedroom was simply awesome. Just going right in front there, oh my god, it looks so weird. Let me switch up. Yes, this is a place where we had to store our luggage. I thought before messing it up, let's shoot. Yes, that's me. Here comes the main thing. Oh god, as we had no swimming pools, we had to upgrade our rooms to luxury jacuzzi villas so that our kids would enjoy. And seeing this, my god, I'll tell you, our kids just dug into this, as if you can see now. Just in no time they were here, and the most hardest part was to get them out from here. Ishal is like, please mama, go. Not only Ishal and Ahil, Nasra, Aiza and Arfat also enjoyed a lot. These kids enjoyed the water so much that, oh god, it was a thanda mausam or garam pani. And we have a Santa over here. They were not ready to come out. Anyways, we had to bring them out, get ready and go for the indoors. Initially, I thought they have buggy for pick and drop system. Either they had jeep. That's the reason, guys. Ahil and Arfat are so excited as they love jeep. यहाँ का नज़ारा शाम के वक्त तो और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है, guys. Have a look. ये that's our villa. यहाँ पर ढलती हुई शाम कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही है ना. तो इस शाम के साथ चाय तो बनती है, गाइस. तो चलिए हम मिलते हैं चाय पर. अ स्मॉल इंसिडेंस, शुगर डिज़ोल्व होने से पहले ही मेरी चाय ठंडी हो गई, एज द वेदर वॉज सो चिल्ड आउट देयर. एनीवेज गाइस, आफ्टर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू इंडोर्स to see the lots of fun.
Ahu, is it not going? Allah, la, la, la.
We were completely tired and it was a full moon night there and we slept. So guys, good morning. This is the next day morning. I thought I would give you a quick tour of this place. So I had to woke up early and took few beautiful shots, guys, which you will be seeing in the next vlog. Till then, guys, stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.
और हमारा 2 जने का वीडियो सब्सक्राइब करना और बहुत 100 सब्सक्राइब आना है प्लीज़। और मैं सबको तैयार करता हूँ, बाय बाय। और ये को भी देखिए, बाय बाय।